Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. In this video we're taking a look at how to work the foundation single crochet. This is a great technique in which we work the chain and the first row of single crochet at the same time. Let's jump right in and I'll show you how it works. Before we jump in, I do just want to briefly talk about the advantages of foundation single crochet stitches, foundation stitches in general. I've worked up a swatch of 10 stitches here, and if I hold that just against my gauge ruler, you can see that brings me to about 6 inches. So now watch as I pull this, I can get it to go all the way to about 8 inches. So that is a lot of stretch, and that makes it perfect for sleeve cuffs or necklines, anything on a garment or a hat where you need stretch. Now let me show you, this is just a swatch of 10 traditionally worked stitches where I've got a chain and then a row of 10 single crochet. So I'm going to do the same here. You can see that's just about 6 inches, and then if I pull it, I can only get it to go to about 7. Now let's take a look at how to complete the foundation single crochet stitch. To begin, we're going to start by leaving a tail end that's long enough for us to weave in once we're done with our project, and then we're going to make a slip knot. Next, we're going to insert our hook and chain 2. So there's 1 and 2. Next step, we're going to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook, or the first chain that we made. So that means we're going to skip this one here and we're going to go into this chain. Just making sure to catch 2 loops. Going to insert our hook underneath both of those. Next we're going to yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to yarn over and chain 1. Then yarn over and pull through 2. What we've done just there is we've worked 1 chain and 1 single crochet. So that is the top of our first stitch. Next we're going to turn our work to the side, and you can see here the first V, that's our chain that we just worked. We're going to insert our hook underneath both of those loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to chain 1. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And now we have 2 stitches worked. Turning your work to the side, you can see the bottom of both of those stitches there. We're going to insert our hook under the last chain that we made. We're then going to yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to chain 1. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And that completes the third stitch. Again, turning our work to the side just so that it's easy to see the chain, we're going to insert our hook underneath the last chain that we made. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook under the last chain, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, yarn over, and pull through 2. Insert your hook under the last chain that you've made, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2 to complete the single crochet. Insert your hook underneath the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and yarn over and pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and yarn over and pull through 2. And you can see here that this is making a nice, neat bottom edge. Once you get going with a few stitches, the stitches are much more defined than they were with our first few ones. That tends to be the case with crochet. So we're going to insert our hook under the last stitch, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, and yarn over and pull through 2. So let's see how many we have. I'm going to make a swatch of 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do one more. Just turning our work to the side. There's the bottom of our last stitch. Inserting my hook underneath. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1. And yarn over and complete the single crochet. So let's just take a look here. The bottom chain, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's our bottom chain, and then there are our single crochet stitches. And that is how we work up a foundation single crochet stitch. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.